preparation of aldehydes and ketone. First, already we were seen aldehyde and ketone prepared by, that is from oxidation of alcohol, then dehydrogenation of alcohol, from hydrocarbon, that is ozonolysis, and the hydration of alkynes. So already we were seen in class 11 and the previous unit. Now the preparation of aldehyde from acid chlorides or acyl chloride. The acyl chloride is hydrogenated over catalyze the palladium using a palladium or barium sulfate, is called using this reaction to form aldehyde, that is benzaldehyde. This reaction name is called Rosenman reaction. Rosenman name reaction, very important name reaction. So this from acid chloride to form aldehyde. So benzoyl chloride to form benzaldehyde. Next, the preparation method is from nitriles and ester. Nitriles are reduced to corresponding imine, like the corresponding, this is imine, with stannous chloride and uh, the presence of the hydrochloric acid, which on hydrolysis corresponding aldehyde. Look at this the nitrile compound. This nitrile compound react with the stannous chloride and HCl to form imine. This imine again treatment with acid to form, that is hydronium ion, to form aldehyde. Similarly, this reaction name is called Stephan reaction. So this is name reaction, Stephan reaction. Alternatively, this nitriles are selectively reduced to diisobutyl aluminum hydride, that is called dibal H, diisobutyl aluminum hydride. So that this is dibal H to imines followed by the hydrolysis to aldehyde. Look at this reaction. This nitrile compound react with dibal to form aldehyde. Then similarly in esters also react, that is esters also reduced to aldehyde with the dibal H. Here also using the same reagent, dibal H. So ester reduced to aldehyde. Next is from hydrocarbons. From hydrocarbons, the aromatic aldehyde and its benzaldehyde and its derivatives are prepared from aromatic hydrocarbons by following this method, that is the addition by oxidation of methyl benzene. The strong oxidizing agent, that is oxidized toluene, this is the toluene, and its derivatives benzoic acid. However, it is possible to stop the oxidation the aldehyde stage with a suitable reagent that convert the methyl group to an intermediate that is difficult to oxidize further. The following methods are used for the purpose. Like first, the using of chromyl chloride. Use of chromyl chloride, the oxidized methyl group to a chromium complex. This is the chromium complex, which on hydrolysis gives the corresponding, that is benzaldehyde. Then this reaction name is called ETAD reaction. So this is called ETAD reaction. Then use of the chromic oxide. This is chromic oxide. The toluene or the substituted toluene is converted to benzylidene diacetate on treating with, this is benzylidene diacetate treating with the chromic oxide, that is oxide in acetic anhydride. The benzylidene diacetate can be hydrolyzed to corresponding benzaldehyde with the aqueous acid. So this is the reaction. Then by side chain chlorination followed by hydrolysis. The side chain chlorination of the toluene gives benzal chloride, which on hydrolysis to gives benzaldehyde. This is commercial method of the manufacturers of the benzaldehyde. Then Gattermann-Koch reaction. This is Gatterman-Koch reaction. So when benzene or its derivative is treated with carbon monoxide and hydrogen chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride or cuprous chloride, it gives benzaldehyde or the substituted benzaldehyde. So this name reaction is called Gatterman-Koch reaction. The next is preparation of ketone. Preparation of ketone from acyl halide, acyl chlorides. The treatment of acyl chloride with dialkyl cadmium. This is the dialkyl cadmium prepared by the reaction of cadmium chloride with the Grignard reagent. So this is the Grignard reagent RMgX react with cadmium chloride to form dialkyl cadmium, and this dialkyl cadmium react with the acyl chloride, that is the acid chloride, to form a ketone. So this is the example reaction. Magnesium halide react with cadmium chloride to form dimethyl cadmium, and this dimethyl cadmium, this dimethyl cadmium here using of C2H5. Diethyl cadmium, the diethyl cadmium react with this acid chloride to form ketone. Then from nitriles, see, the treating with nitride with the Grignard reagent followed by the hydrolysis yield to be a ketone. See, this nitrile compound react with Grignard reagent in the presence of dry ether followed by the hydrolysis to form ketone. This is a ketone. Then from benzene, so this name is propiophenone, generally propiophenone or 1-phenyl propanone. Then from benzene, with benzene or the substituted benzene is treated with acid chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, it suffered the corresponding ketone. So this reaction known as the Friedel-Crafts reaction. Here benzene or the substituted benzene. Suppose if you use acetyl chloride, that is R, maybe CH3 mean that will be acetyl chloride. The aromatic group, the phenyl group mean that is benzoyl chloride. Either using acetyl chloride or benzoyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride to form acetophenone or the benzophenone. So this is preparation from benzene or the substituted benzene. Next is physical properties. Physical properties of aldehydes and ketone. Here the methanol, the aldehyde, CHCHO. This is methanol. The methanol gas at room temperature, and the ethanol, that is CH3CHO. This is volatile liquid. The other aldehydes and ketones are liquid or solid at room temperature. So this is a gas and this is a volatile liquid. So the boiling points of aldehydes and ketone higher than the hydrocarbons and ethers of the comparable molecular masses. Why? Because it is due to the weak molecular association in aldehydes and ketone arising out the dipole interaction. So dipole interaction the reason. So also their boiling points are lower than the those of alcohols of similar molecular masses due to the absence of the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So here the I will show some boiling points of butane hydrocarbon and butane. N-butane, the boiling point is 273 Kelvin, the molecular mass is 58 U. Then the methoxyethane, the boiling point is 281 Kelvin, and the molecular mass is 60 U. Then propanal aldehyde 322 Kelvin and the molecular mass is 58 U. Then the acetone. So acetone, the molecular 329 Kelvin the boiling point and the molecular mass is 58 U. Then propan 1R 370 Kelvin and 60 U molecular masses. So this following compounds, the molecular masses 58 and 60 are is ranked in the order of the increasing boiling points. Look at this 58 and 60. So the lowering the number of aldehydes and ketones such methanol and ethanol, the propanone are miscible with water in all proportion because of they form hydrogen bonding with water. For example, look at this. In ketone, they form a hydrogen bond with water. So at all proportion like this. Here this having partially positive, partially negative, so that this is partially positive, partially negative, partially positive, partially negative, so partially positive, so that uh, the lower members of the aldehyde and ketones, methanol and ethanol and propanones are miscible with water in all proportions, so that they forms a hydrogen bond. However, the solubility of aldehydes and ketone decreases rapidly on increasing the length of the alkyl chain. Suppose if you increase the chain, the solubility decreases. And all aldehydes and ketones are fairly soluble in organic solvent like benzene, ether, methanol, chloroform, acetone, like this. So the lower aldehydes have sharp pungent odor. As the size of the molecule increases, the odor becomes less pungent and more fragrant. So in fact, many naturally occurring aldehydes and ketones are used in the blending of perfumes and flavoring agents. So these are the physical properties of aldehydes and ketones. Next is the chemical reaction.